Bitcoin just hit $122,000. I want to talk about it because I've been telling you for the last 3 months that I think Bitcoin is going to $122,000. What's going to happen next? You want to stick around for this flipping video. I'm telling you now, welcome back to Cryptogains. See this as educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Before I get into it, you need to know. Let's take a look at this. Bitcoin's 122K. Exactly where I believed it would be going. You know, if you take a look at some of my videos right back from 3 months ago, look at the date here, look, 3 months ago. I've had this bar up here in all the videos with my technical analysis as a guide showing you that this is the price where I'm expecting Bitcoin to go. Even when it was right, taking these horrible drops and all that says 82K, but yeah, I've been saying this for ages. Like even at 77K when it took that big dump, I still had this bar. You see it here as well, 122K Bitcoin. That was my goal. So you're probably thinking, and again, look, this was 3 months ago, right? Because it's hard to see when you're all stuck in the moment with everybody else that's pissed off and emotional. It's hard to see what's happening next. We're in a full-blown bull market, guys. It's about to heat up. I'm telling you now, if Bitcoin can surge like this, it is about to heat up. I'm going to talk about the altcoins because this has literally been doing what I've been saying as well. Where I said to you that it was in a bull flag formation. Right? This is the pole, and you've got the flag points where we bounce in between them. It broke out. I said we may have to come down and test the bottom of the flag. I've still got this yellow, this yellow line drawn out, showing you exactly where I think we're going. Buckle up, guys. It's going to get fun. But please stay focused because new money will come in. It's already coming. And excitement's going to kick in and everybody's going to be thinking that everything's just going to be going absolutely wild to hundreds of millions of dollars, meaning that Bitcoin's going to go to like 500K, 700K. You'll see the videos. But please stay focused. Don't follow the herd. This is so damn nice. Look how good this looks. We will be coming up, right? And I think this might be a challenge here when we get to this part here, because this is sort of like how high the altcoins went before. You can see the resistance, right? We got wicks. You come up, fell down. Came up, got a little wick here, fell down. So we will come up to here, which will put, and what you're looking at here is total 3 market cap. All of the money in crypto, all of your favorite altcoins, everything, excluding Bitcoin, excluding Ethereum. We're going to come up to here. This green bar is here right now. We're sitting about 970 billion. It's going to come up to here. It might be a challenge. If it breaks through it, guys, we're in a bull market. Bitcoin's making you all-time highs. It's new territory. This is your bull market you've been waiting for. Enjoy it. Shout out to those that held through all of this crap, all of this right from back down here. Seriously. Because now you can sit back and enjoy it. And the people that come in that are new now, and again, this is not financial advice, these are going to be your last best opportunities to buy any kind of crypto that you like. Because I'll tell you what, any new money that comes in that's watching this, if you're watching this and this chart, stick around, like and subscribe, become a Patreon, links in the info section, because I'm telling them what I'm doing. I knew 122K was coming. I know what's happening next, at least I believe so, based on what I'm seeing on the charts. If you're going to start buying when it's right up here, oh damn, such a shame. Like seriously it is, because you're buying at near enough the top of this cycle, and it's such a damn shame because you could lose a lot of money, and this is what happens. But unfortunately for you, that's been watching my channel, that's been buying when I've been showing you guys what I'm doing and stuff, you're going to make the massive gains. But you're the ones that are going to sell on these new money that comes, because unfortunately for you to make your millions, you have to sell it to someone at a higher price, and that's a shame, but that's how crypto works. If we break this white line here, I'm not sure if we're going to do it straight away or if we'll have to pull back first and then off and away we go. I mean, because we could go up, we could pull down, we can come right up to 1.15 trillion. This is all the money in altcoins. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. We can end up coming back down, sort of to test around this area here, and then we could absolutely fly, but we'll see. But we are coming up to this goal. And my goal all along has always been this blue box, this blue zone, 1.6, 1.7, maybe 1.8 if we're lucky, if we can get to the top of it. And at that point, you're just going to see huge multipliers, guys. You really are. There's no other way I can say it. You're going to see huge multipliers. And at this point, I'm going to be looking at my portfolio to see which coins have had insane pumps, which I should really, as a smart investor, be looking to take something off the table. Not all, just some. And this is when people decide to become a patron, because if you don't have an idea on when you should be taking profits, damn, you're just going to get dumped on by everybody that's smart. So have a good strategy, guys. I mean, if you're unsure and you want to see what I'm doing, you are welcome to become a patron. The link is in the info section. Click it, come over. More than ever right now, of all times, because this is the bull market. So more than ever right now is the best time to become a patron, because you can see what's going on. You can remain focused. You're not going to follow the herd. We're going to be focused in this market. 7 tiers, take your pick. I recommend this one, the popular tier. I've seen a lot of people upgrading to the CEOs. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. They get access to the VIP Telegram group. It's a powerful network. They're buying things all the time. Smart investors, understanding trends, charts, and everything else. Millionaires in the group. You're dealing with a powerful network of people. Yeah, that's a powerful network. Let's talk about the charts, some more Bitcoin and everything else. Yeah, this is where I'm thinking the altcoins will go. We'll see what happens, right? It's hit my target. Finally hit my target. So what do I think can happen now? Here's what I think can happen. Because it's set a new all-time high, and it's kind of just ripped straight through it. It's just ripped straight through it. I feel like it needs to come back down and test it, resist, to see if it can hold it as support, so it can go again. So something like this. I've got my green. Something like this might happen. I don't know if it's going to happen at 122k, or if it, there's still more room for it to go up. But at some point, I think it will come back down, test it as support, and then it can off and away it goes again. Because this is where the top of the line is, right? Or if you like, I can probably move this one up. Hold on, well, that's where most of the resistance is. So if I had to draw like a box type of thing, how do I draw the box thing? You can tell I don't do this much. The paint thing here. Somewhere around here is where I would expect, if it did fall back down, to come down and hold some form of resistance. Hold on, let me stretch this out. Because this is where all of the support and resistance was before, guys. Around about here, right? I'll make it a small box. Somewhere like here. I would expect something like that if it was to come down, bounce, and then go straight up again. And then it's new territories. How high can it go? You're going to have to keep watching it, because I'm going to keep watching it. I'm going to keep sharing it to people. Like and subscribe. Stick around if you want to see how high this can go, because I'm going to show you. And I'll tell you what, at some point, all of this money that's flowing into Bitcoin right now, 122K, you got $2.4 trillion. And if it's going to continue to rise, when it peaks out at the top, because I think the top is near, I think it's going to, huge money is going to come out of Bitcoin. Billions and billions and billions. And then it's going to be thrown into the altcoins. And this is when you see gigapumps. This is when you see insane surges. That's how this is able to be met, because all the money just flows in. Because people want to catch the AI wave before it absolutely blows. Like, seriously. I hope you're stacking up on your AIs, guys. This is looking nice, man. It's looking good. So I don't want this to be too long, but I'm going to be bringing, obviously, more analysis videos. Shout out to those, again, that's been watching and paying attention to what I've been trying to say for a long time. I said we're going to 122K. We're here. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it can go a bit more higher. But I do expect that if we was to see some form of a pullback, because, smart money's always taking profits, we'll come down here and hold it as support, and then bang, we can go again. And yeah, it's going to be exciting. It really is going to be exciting over these next few months. And I don't care what anyone thinks. I'm just telling you what I think. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.